Player pings in CS2 are hella useful, but man, they can get annoying if spammed. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to toggle them on and off to maximize their usefulness. Let's dive in. First, open up Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. Next, click on the gear icon from the upper left corner of the screen to bring up the settings. Then, switch to the Game tab. After that, click on Communication from here and you'll be taken to this section. Here you will find the Player's Ping option. If you want to disable it, just click here and select Disabled, and you won't get any pings from anyone. But if you want to turn it on, just click here again and select Display and Play Sound, and you will hear and see when your teammates ping you. So that's how you turn on and off players' pings in CS2. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. Want more Counter-Strike related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel cause we have got more of them coming. Oh, and if you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.